Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Moulton local and long-distance movers near me. A cheap Moulton moving company can also be very dependable and trustworthy. When you hire 3 movers, you get the best movers for your local or long-distance move. We have helped plenty of students, veterans, homeowners, renters, and business owners move. Our team knows how to make your move easier and more efficient. When you choose to book a long-distance move with us, you can choose from options like packing services. Let us take care of the packing for you and unpack everything when it arrives at your new location. Moving supplies. You get amazing protection from our high-quality packing materials and moving supplies. An on-time move. Our movers show up at the agreed-upon time on moving day. You don't have to worry about delays or cancellation. Upfront pricing. Choosing to get a moving quote from us will give you accurate pricing you can use for your budget. Licensed and insured. Our team keeps your things well protected throughout the entire move. No matter how far you need to go, we can help. Our long-distance moving services cover the entire country. We can help you with your relocation plans to make sure you have less to worry about. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Moulton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.